Bayesian statistics is based on Bayes' theorem, which was proposed by Thomas Bayes, a British mathematician and minister in the 18th century. It has the feature of improving the accuracy of estimation and prediction, while incorporating new data. When Microsoft founder, Bill Gates said that Microsoft has a competitive advantage because of Bayesian technology, attention was drawn to the possible application to business. In Bayesian statistics, the approach for observing data is changed based on Bayes' theorem to evaluate factors correctly. Here's an actual example of the use of Bayes' theorem in business. This case treats how to identify spam emails. If the text of an email contains the word "free," the email is identified as a spam email. Based on the obtained data, 30% of the emails identified as spam emails contain the word "free" in the text. Of all emails, 10% of them contain the word "free" in the text. As the word "free" appears at a higher rate in spam emails than in all emails, it seems that there is a relationship. On the other hand, it seems that not all emails containing the word "free" in the text should be identified as spam emails. Assume that spam emails account for about 20% of all emails, based on past experience. For easier understanding, the diagram shows that the total number of emails is 100. About 20% of 100 emails are spam, which means 20 emails, and 30% of them contain the word "free." Therefore, the overlapped area represents 6 emails. The percentage of emails containing the word "free" is 10%, and 4 of them, excluding 6 spam emails, also contain the word "free," which, however, are not spam emails. The number of emails that are not spam emails, and do not contain the word "free" in the text, is 76. 30% of spam emails contain the word "free" in the text, but when seen from a different point of view, 60% of emails with the word "free" are spam emails. The difference is whether the 6 emails within the overlapping area are evaluated as spam emails or emails with the word "free." Bayes' theorem is a mathematical expression that describes the relationship between the overlapping area of the circles. The key point of Bayes' theorem is to change the point of view, which can avoid misunderstandings that may occur during the interpretation of data. By viewing data from a different perspective, it is possible to correctly evaluate the factors that influence the result. In actual identification of spam emails, evaluators calculate the ratio of spam emails under various conditions that include words other than "free," such as "gift" and "campaign," and perform an evaluation based on the data obtained. Other conditions include emails with more than one word that may indicate spamming. Bayes' theorem enables correct evaluation of factors and has seen increasing use in business. It is applied to spam filtering, categorization of articles, automated translation, and tests and measurement of the effect of vaccinations in the medical field. Another feature of Bayesian statistics is the flexibility in incorporating new data. Assume that the word "free" is found in the text of emails. Bayes' theorem is used to estimate how such a factor influences the results, in other words, the identification of spam. When this idea is extended, the prediction accuracy of results can be improved by collecting a lot of contributing data. In the example, the data indicate that not only the word "free" but also "gift" and "campaign" influence the identification of spam emails. Such data are analyzed in stages. General statistics require analysis from the beginning as data are collected, but Bayesian statistics allows for working on data as data are obtained. When enough data are available, the results of the analysis are not greatly influenced, but the estimation method will become different. The concept of Bayesian statistics allows for incorporating data more flexibly. The concept of Bayesian statistics has been around for a long time, but because of its compatibility with machine learning using big data, in terms of learning by incorporating new data, it has been attracting attention in recent years. Bayesian statistics is also considered to model the process of human thought. Therefore, it is said to fit with human thought patterns.